Welcome back to the HirePOS Fundamentals Video Series. In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at all of the different ways you can capture customer signatures in HirePOS, and where each method makes the most sense in real-world workflows. In a previous video, where we looked at email templates and terms and conditions, we touched on one option, capturing a customer signature via the View button link.hirepos. When you email a quote, booking, or invoice from HirePOS, your email template can include the View button. When the customer clicks on that button, they're taken to link.hirepos.com, where they can view the document you sent them. From there, they can accept or decline a quote, make a payment, and, importantly, sign digitally. During this process, the customer is shown your terms and conditions, signs using their touchscreen or mouse, enters their name, confirms their signature, and consents to signing electronically. Once completed, that signature is stored permanently in HirePOS. It appears on the back of the invoice, a PDF copy is generated, and that PDF is saved as an attachment against the sales record. This gives you a locked-in historical record of the agreement exactly as it was at the time of signing. That same online signing workflow isn't limited to email. You can also send the view link to a customer via SMS. The link will take the customer to the same online page as the email view button, where they can view the document, make payment, and sign. Please note, SMS messaging requires integration with an external SMS provider, such as SMS Express or Twilio. This is billed separately from HirePOS. Another common signature scenario is capturing signatures over the counter in store. In this setup, you might have your main computer facing your staff member and a tablet or iPad facing the customer. From the invoice screen, you can click Get Signature, approve the request, and a signature prompt is sent to the tablet. The customer reviews the booking, hire details, and terms and conditions, signs on the tablet, and once complete, the signature is instantly applied back to the invoice on your main screen. This setup is especially useful for counter-based hire businesses. Full setup instructions can be found in the HirePOS documentation by searching for over-the-counter or OTC signatures. If you're working entirely on a tablet or iPad, for example, using an iPad on the shop floor, you can also capture signatures directly on the same device. You can create or edit the booking or invoice, tap Get Signature at the bottom of the screen, and hand the tablet to the customer to sign, and then continue processing the sale once the iPad is handed back to you. No second device is required in this case. Signatures can also be captured during deliveries and pickups. Using the delivery and pickup schedule, drivers can log in on a phone or tablet to view their jobs, open maps, take photos, add notes, and capture signatures on site. These signatures are typically used as proof of delivery or proof of pickup, but depending on your settings, they can also include acceptance of terms and conditions. This makes it possible to capture both delivery confirmation and contractual acceptance in a single step at the time of delivery. For warehouse-focused workflows, the Sales and Hire Dispatch screen provides another signature option. This screen is designed for staff members preparing and handing out equipment, especially for customer collections. It allows the warehouse staff to capture notes and signatures without giving them access to invoice values, pricing, or financial details. Capturing signatures here is ideal when the equipment is collected directly from the warehouse by the customer, and the staff member handling the handover doesn't need full access to the sales record. Beyond sales and hire workflows, signatures are also used in maintenance and inspections. Within the maintenance module, technicians can sign off on completed work, and in cases where you service customer-owned equipment, customers can also sign to acknowledge the repair. As one example, there are many, We see this used in forklift businesses, where the business hires, sells, and maintains both their own equipment and customer assets. Inspection checklists also support signatures. Technicians can sign to confirm the inspection is complete, and customers can sign to acknowledge equipment condition. This is particularly useful for pre-hire and post-hire inspections, providing clear signed confirmation of equipment condition before dispatch and after return. Finally, signatures are also used in the online crew timesheets portal. Staff can navigate to their timesheets link, view upcoming jobs, accept or decline job invites, record start and end times, and sign their timesheets to confirm accuracy when submitting them. While this video hasn't gone into detailed walkthroughs of each individual screen, the key takeaway is that HirePOS supports signature capture across many different touch points, from online approvals and payments through counter sales, deliveries, warehouse dispatch, maintenance, inspections, and staff timesheets. Many of these areas will be covered in more detail in upcoming videos as we explore each workflow more deeply. Thanks for watching. You can always get more help and info at help.hirepos.com. See you in the next video.